should not be about when your mother is out.
Why, we can have lots of good fun if you wish with a game that I call Up, Up, Up with a Fish. Look at me! Look at me! I'm the cat with a cup and a cake on the top of my hat.
Our fish came down too. He fell into a pond.
Do I like this? Oh no, I do not. I will pick up the book. You will see something new. Two things. And I call them Thing 1 and Thing 2. They are tame. Oh, so tame. They have come here to play. It is so fun. No, not in the house.
So the fish in the pond?
They should not fly kites in a house. They should not.
Your mother is near. So as fast as you can, think of something to do. You will have to get rid of Thing 1 and Thing 2.
You did not like our game. What a shame. What a shame. So even for gold, we cannot pick it up. There's no way at all. I will show you another good trick that I know. Have no fear of this mess,
said the captain. Tell me, what did you do?
I always pick up my playthings, and so I will show you another good trick that I know.
Then our mother came in and said to us,
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
should we tell her about it? Now what should we do? Well,